Hi there, today we're going to make a really easy and delicious snack. It's going to be filled Pitta pockets. Basically we've got some Pitta breads here, grated cheddar cheese, ham slices, cream cheese and some other extras like tomatoes and onion if you really fancy those. First of all, we're going to open the Pittas. I'm going to take a couple of these. We're going to cut them in half. I'm going to put these in a toaster and just toast them for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, we take some of our Philadelphia cream cheese with Philadelphia or others. Just a couple of dessert spoons of that. And a generous handful of grated cheese. And we're going to mix that up. Like so. You take a slice of ham, and just cut it in half, maybe half again in some pieces. Take an onion, if you fancy onion and tomato in it. And you could do this while your pittas are toasted. Slice it. And an onion, tomato. Take our hot pittas, which have opened because of the heat. Be careful not to burn yourself. With a flat knife, take some of the cheese filling and pour it into your pockets. Some ham slices, and a bit of onion if you fancy it. And a couple of tomato slices. Obviously if you fancy it. If you don't, just stick with the cheese and the ham. It's nice to have something else, some vegetables in there as well. And once they're filled, put them back into the toaster. Just give it a couple of minutes. And there you have it. Toasted Pitta pockets. Delicious.